Hello everyone, welcome you all in Chemistry Drive with Ravni. So today in this video, I'm going to provide you an information about the Inspire Scholarship. DST, that is Department of Science and Technology, provide financial assistance to the students through this Inspire Scholarship. It is a merit-based scholarship. The main objective of this scholarship is to attract students to study in basic sciences and to provide them a chance to make their career in scientific research. So student who will meet the this eligibility criteria for this program, they can apply for this scholarship. So the application form will be out in the very first week of November, and the last date will fall in the last week of December. So near about 80,000 rupees per year are provided as an Inspire scholarship. So we will explore more about this scholarship, like the duration, eligibility, and the application process. Now, if you want to check the details of this Inspire program, you need to type on Google this link. Just click over here, Inspire homepage. Once you click, you will get this online portal of the Inspire program. So this is the official portal of Inspire program. If you want to see the more details about the award, scholarship, and the components of Inspire scheme, just click on this third one, Inspire program. So I'm just clicking. So once you click, as you can see that there are the three components of this Inspire scheme. The very first component is the scheme for early attraction of talent. The second one is a scholarship for higher education. The third one is the assured opportunity for research careers. The very first component aims to attract talented youth to study science by providing Inspire awards of rupees 5,000 to 1 million young learners within the age group of 10 to 15 years, and also by arranging summer camps for +1 class from time to time through Inspire internship. The second component aims to enhance the rate of attachment of talented youth to undertake higher education in science intensive programs, and this is for the age group of 17 to 22 years. The third component aims to attract and nourish the young scientific human resource for strengthening the R&D foundation and base. So there are the further two sub-components of this third component. The very first component is the Inspire Fellowship, which is for the age group of 22 to 27 years. It offers 1,000 fellowships every year for carrying out a doctoral degree in both basic and applied sciences, including engineering and medicine. The second subcomponent is the Inspire Faculty Scheme. It offers assured opportunity every year for 1,000 postdoctoral researchers within the age group of 27 to 32 years through contractual and tenure track position for 5 years in both basic and applied sciences area. Now, if you want to check the details of the eligibility criteria, so you need to go back to Inspire program. Just click on this fourth option, and once you click on this, so there, as you can see, the details of each and everything is displayed. Like if you want to check the eligibility criteria, so there is a link for that, so you need to click on this. And if you want to check the fellowship scheme, so you just click on these options. So there are the various options, and you can explore it according to your own wish, like you want to apply for. So next is thing that first of all, if you want to apply for the scholarship, you need to register yourself on the home page that I have shown to you. I'm just going back over here. So as you can see that on this side there is a sign in, login, password, and all options. So first of all, you need to register yourself if you want to apply for the scholarship. For that, if you are the new user, you need to click here, register here. So once you click, this page will be displayed. So there they will ask you to fill your details, like your name, your middle, last name, your date of birth, okay, and your login email. And make sure that this is the email which you are going to use in this scholarship applying process. So just log in with the ID, so you will get the password and all on your email ID that you have provided there. So for that, once you just activate your account, that you need to keep the scanned copies of all the required documents as separate files before filling the application forms. Once you get register yourself on this portal, you need to sign in with your login ID and password. After that, you need to fill the details of your enrollment information, like your BSc, MSc levels, marks, and all your +2 information, and any competitive exam if you have cracked. And after that, you need to upload your documents in support of the online scholarship application, and make sure you have preview all the details before submitting. And once you are sure that all the details and uploaded documents are correct, just click submit button. And after the final submission of the online scholarship application form, the candidate must take the printout of the submitted application for his or her record. So there are the further information about the documents, like in what format you need to and what size you need to upload. So I'm going to provide you the link for this. And what is the procedure? As you can see, there are few terms and conditions. There is a selection procedure, that how the candidate will be selected for this program, for this scholarship. So I'm going to provide you the link for the same. So I hope that this information could be beneficial for all of you, and I hope that you people share it with the maximum students as you can. And thank you for supporting Chemistry Drive with Ravni. Thank you so much.